Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Redmi 10 and I will show you how you can remove glass from the display. You don't have to bring any additional tools, you can use your bare hands. So let's start from one of the top edge, top corner. I'm going to put my fingernail under this glass from the right corner. So just make it like that. Put another finger and lift the glass and take a look. Do it slowly. As you can see, it's finished. It was very simple, right? If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.